Old Mexico. This is Old Mexico, and we're going to stop to do a very simple weather effect. We're going to make it rain. It's a really simple special effect. It's done with sprinklers, but there is a problem with the special effect. We run it all day. Every time a tram drives through, we make it rain, but the Mexico set is built on a hill. Over the course of the day, a lot of water builds at the top of the hill, and at one point it all rushes down the hill. And sometimes it hits one of our trams. We are that tram. That's why Hal Roker gave us a flash flood warning. So be careful if you're sitting on the left. Enjoy. There's a flood coming. I'm sorry, car number 3. I'm sorry. Car number 1. There it is. If you look at the monitors, I'm going to show you this special effect in a movie. It's a scene from a family comedy, Big Fat Liar.